This is the Walabot visual wall scanner. It'll help you to distinguish between studs and pipes in your wall.
What's going on? Matt with the Handy Manual here. Today we're talking about the Walabot DIY2, the popular wall scanner that essentially provides a window into your walls, allowing you to find studs, pipes, wires, even unwanted pests. So we're going to unbox the device. I'm going to show you how to set it up, and then I'm going to take you on a real life project where I'm going to use the device to install a shelving system in a home office. So there's a lot to cover today. Let's get into it. So we have a carrying case. Next up we have the actual Walabot device. Works with iPhone model 7 and above, and with Android phones operating Android 8 and above. Sleek looking device. We've got instructions, and then we have the charging cable as well. I like the color scheme, and it's weighted nicely too, feels heavier, feels like a nice product. And then lastly, we got the magnet that you attach to your phone and the device. Alright, so let's go ahead and get the Walabot set up here. So this is good to know. The device cannot be charged with other USB cables. We have to use the one included. And the first step is to download the Walabot app. So we'll go ahead and do that now. Walabot. Connect to the Wi-Fi. Alright, now we're going to get the Walabot calibrated on this wall. And just to clarify, you typically use the wall attach magnets to connect to the back of your phone to the Walabot so you can scan the wall with one uniform device. But I have this kind of weird grip on the back of my phone, so I'm not going to use it. And just for simplicity's sake, to show you what's going on the app as we calibrate, I'm going to keep the phone and the Walabot separate. All right, now we're going to get started on this shelf system install, and we're going to use the Walabot to lay out our studs.
Well, that project turned out to be a success, and the Walabot made it that much easier to locate studs. I definitely plan on using this device in my handyman business as a go-to tool in the future. A couple things I noticed when using the device was that on the wall that I was installing the shelves on, there was a metal lath behind the drywall. And in one instance, the device had trouble locating the stud. I had to drill a few test holes to locate the center of the stud. Additionally, if you plan on installing items on multiple walls, you'll have to calibrate the device to each wall, which might be time consuming. But with that said, if you're in the market for a wall scanner at an affordable price comparatively, I definitely recommend picking one of these up. So until next time, take care and be well.